Motorcycle Rock Show.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we got here? We got a lovely Italian Aprilia Tuono back at 2004. And what Tuono means? Tuono is the thunder. So we have a thunder. Is it a naked version of RSV Mile? No, is not. Believe me, is not. If you are waiting to ride this bike and to get the feeling of a naked RSV, is not. Is it a good bike? No, it is not. Do I like this bike that this is not good? Yes, I love it. I love it. So, strange things. It's not a good bike, but I love it. It's the same with RSV, naked, but it's not RSV. What am I saying? Am I crazy? Huh. For sure I'm not in good on my mind, but it's a secret. So just follow this video and you will understand everything in details. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what we got in this bike? We got a naked bike with only a single stand and with a lot of space down of here. You can put together medicine, tools, and also gloves down of here. How you can open it? You can open it with a key from here. So, except that we don't have too many things, but we have suspensions that you control it easily from here or from there and etc. Now, naked bike, Street Fighter suppose. Let's see what is the position of riding. I'm going up in this bike and I feel directly very comfortable. Why? Because all this way that I ride it reminds me enduro style motorcycle. So I feel very comfortable directly. The bar is open and lovely. I love it. The mirrors, they give me good view back. Everything here is in the correct position. The windscreen is terrible because send the air directly on my face, directly. So I'm trying to bite the air. Yeah, the clocks are in a terrible position. Believe me, from the start that I saw those clocks, I just wonder how we're gonna be filming these clocks. It's inside. Terrible. But as you can see, I feel very comfortable. The seat is hard enough. I have no rubber because it's a sport bike, yeah. And yes, attack. Now, the point is that in this bike, we have two exhausts and we have everything that is come directly from Mile. It's not a standard, the two exhausts in this bike. It's just one exhaust is normally, and also some more few details that make this engine completely the same with the one of the mile. So, Georgia, please come. For Georgia, almost there is no space. You will see now that it's got a metal stepper close to the exhaust, and now it's climb on it.
Parrot feeling.
Parrot.
Then it's not handles here, so I can't get on.
Okay, so how you feel, Georgia?
Well, not as a parrot. It's slightly better. It's
I will tell you for sure that it's a better position of riding than some others sport bikes with the twin, like VTR for example, or like SV. But it's the same as is in Multistrada DS1000. Almost the same terrible situation, but not fully terrible. It's a click before the fully terrible situation. Anyway, this bike is for one person and carrying the second person just for a while. So we will try to show you the clocks now. We got an RPM counter with a swift light here, a neutral speed bliblicky, few bliblicky up from here. We got a kilometer counter and few counters in there. We got a digital screen with a time and etc, temperature and etc. We have a few buttons that I see that some of them are also functional. You can see the battery and etc. It's not bad clocks for 2004. It's okay. That's it. Okay, I feel very comfortable with this bike. I have a good view back. Everything is in a correct position. I have a problem with the wind that is coming directly on my face, and let's hear it now. Okay, it sounds perfect. The gearbox is terrible. But anyway, let's start. We can easily change direction because this bike is cornering perfect. But the most important is that we have a lot of power to do whatever we like, wheelies and whatever we like, and also in the same time we can brake easily. I love this bike. What we got here? We got a 997.6 cubics of joy. 4-stroke V-twin, 4 valves per cylinder, and 6-speed chain. I have to tell you that the numbers of power that I will give you is the same with a mile, because we got here the same everything with mile. So we got 138.7 horses at 9,500 RPM. That means that in a normal Tuono it's 12 horse less, I think. We got 101 Nm of power at 7,250 RPM. We got the bike that is 185 kilos dry. We got 18 liters tank, and we got 4 liters of reserve. The point is that we have an aluminum frame that is very powerful. It's not hollow from back, probably it's hollow inside. It's a powerful and strong frame that is not forgive. It's going, and then you leave it, you lose it. That's it. It's not forgive. The gearbox, now that I see the gear lever here, is not bad, it's terrible. What else? This is a joy machine. I don't understand why we got things like this here. Probably, I don't know, to touch something, I don't know. It's not look so nice. And also those that don't look so nice that you see inside the cables. But what you can do? It's Italian bike. Okay, what I see here, 3 lights inside here, plastic, small flashlights, and I can see inside 2 coolers and 1 oil cooler with a plastic cover that looks very nice made. We got a big fat fork that is perfect work, and we got 2 discs with 4 pistons golden Brembo calibers that perfect brakes. Also back we got again golden Brembo calibers, but we got 2 pistons like this. So finally, do I like all this story here? Yes, this bike is excellent braking motorcycle. The point is, can you brake with those brakes? Because you have to be very experienced to brake with those brakes. If you are experienced rider, then you have some angles here and you can make the best brakings of your life. Quality. This bike has got 58,000 kilometers. The owner take care a lot of his bike and the bike looks perfect. But it's paint, of course, and etc. The point is that everything is plastic. Looks good and fits nice. What I didn't like, that the tank is plastic and then I open it from inside, the pistol from the gas have scratched here the tank and some red color is coming on my finger. So this red color sooner or later is going to be on the fuels inside the engine and probably you will have to clean it after. Maybe this red color is not original from Aprilia, but the one who paint this tank probably throw some color inside also. I don't know. If you will see the welds on this bike here are so. By the other hand, if you will see the electric cables inside, they're going like this, here, there. So this is a schizo moto. From the one hand, it's perfectly made with delicate welds and things like this, and by the other hand, the cables are like this inside. So I cannot say that it's a good made bike, but I cannot say also that it's not a good made bike. It's a schizophrenic bike between two worlds, the good and the bad. Yeah! Finally, what I believe for this bike. This bike, it's like a bull. Don't want you on it, wants to throw you down. The brakes, they wants to throw you front, the engine wants to throw you back, and the frame is not forgive. If you lose it, you lose it. Nothing happen. So this bike is like a bull. So that's why it's not a good bike. By the other hand, because this bike it's got this character and is like a bull, that's why me personally I love it. I love to ride a bike with an engine like this, that the engine behaves like a single stroke, 4-stroke big enduro bike, like a Husqvarna 510, like this. I love it. I love the brakes that is like an anchors and you need to be very experienced rider to ride it. I like all this no limit frame that is got, even if at the end there is no way back and you lose it. So, not a good bike, but for all those reasons that I consider it not as a good ride, for the same reasons, I love it. The result is, it's a beautiful bike with a powerful engine, with an amazing frame, with nice brakes, and if you are experienced rider, take it. You will have something very nice on your garage and you will have this joy machine. If you are young or if you are not an experienced rider, don't buy this bike. For once more, because this is very important. If you are not an experienced rider or if you are very young, don't buy this bike. This is my personal opinion. Georgia.
The bull.
What are you believe?
Personally, I didn't like it so much because I didn't like the clutch.
The clutch is not good at all.
It's the worst
the
clutch
gearbox,
ever.
not the clutch, the gearbox is terrible.
The position is very nice. It's very powerful. It's too powerful for me.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Kokina Fεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Thank you. Είπαμε, βγάζουμε.
Ναι, βγάζουμε.
We take this off. We leave it on.